This is a final video on the series on anxiety disorders in children and in teens. So one of the things I want to talk about here is the final step that tends to really solidify all of the training and teaching that's gone on throughout the course of your child being in therapy with a psychologist to be able to help them through their anxiety and fear. So one of the things that we do to kind of end the process is to have the child actually iterate what they had learned up to this point. And being able to express that on video would be a good way to do it, but they can just simply be able to explain it or articulate it to a parent or to their sibling or to one of the other staff persons here. Now, one of the things that is so beneficial about that is that what's been discovered in research is that when you learn something, that's one level of retaining of information, but it isn't until you apply the testing effect or you have the person know it so well that they could explain it on a test. That's also called the teaching effect sometimes, because if the child learns material well enough that they can teach it to another person, then you know they have retention of that information. So being able to do that at the end of therapy is kind of the end of the road in a sense. That's where they're awarded their certificate. That's when they're told that they are now able to help others. Very similar to what is kind of discussed in biblical terminology, where when you learn something, you teach others what you know and what you've learned. So that's our conclusion to the videos on anxiety. I also want to thank those who have been a part of what we're doing here. We have a number of staff people here that are very excited about helping kids through their anxiety issues, and we are getting results. So we are excited. If you need any help, be sure to call us here. But certainly you want to use the information that we have here to prepare yourself. If things can't get much beyond that, then please give us a call, and we're glad to help you. Thank you again, and God bless.